Hey guys, Johnny Timmons, MarineMax Houston. Today we're on a 2023 Azimut 42 VERVE. Come on board, let me show you around. We're gonna do a quick run through. 42 VERVE, outdoor cockpit, sure shade on top of us. We got S-Tech decking, 3 helm chairs. We're running triple 450 Mercury racing engines. We're right at 82 hours on this boat. Full 2-stateroom, 1-head cabin. All the electronics you could ever possibly imagine: Seakeeper gyro, FLIR night vision camera, twin Raymarine 12-inch screens, joystick, bow thruster. The boat's turnkey, ready to go. Come see us here in Seabrook, Texas.